Been up all night, thinking about my life. I'm trying to figure out the path I need to go, cause lately I've been feeling like I'm straight broke. I got a couple $100 in my pocket and I'm feeling like I'm about to go and hit the lotto for some strange reason. Look, it got me believing that something's gonna happen tonight. Alright, yo, for those of you who thought this was a gambling song, it's not. I was able to save me a 20 up on the slides. Instead, I went and bought me a bag of pie, and it was hot. Yo, I'm still smoking on it through my one hitty. Never quitting, and I swear to God, I'm spitting all these rhymes off the top, and there ain't no lines that I've written yet. But when I do, I love to connect with you. I've been up all night, thinking about my life. I'm trying to figure out the path I need to go. Lately I've been feeling like I'm straight broke. Look, got a couple $100 in my pocket and I'm feeling like I'm about to go and hit the lotto for some strange reason. Look, it got me believing that something's gonna happen tonight. Alright. For some strange reason, look, it got me believing that something's gonna happen tonight. Alright.
Tore my seats out. Working on prepping this up for some BedLiner. Got most of it up. My best friend. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna get her masked up. BedLiner. Yep.
That's a shitty guitar, dude. That's a shitty ass guitar. Sitting here too long, singing the same damn song, just waiting for time to pass me by. I don't know why I still even try. I'm hopping the train, hoping it takes me away.
Train, hoping to take me away to a place where I can go work on my paper. I can go set me ablaze. I'm thinking about some acres somewhere down at the lake, so I can go put all of my shit inside of a storage container. Time my only issue, flying by just like a missile. I can almost hear that whistle. Sometimes I can feel that ripple effect. As I reflect, I've started to notice the older I get, it's getting harder to focus. Like the horn on the train that I listen to every day, get me thinking about moving like sound surfing away. Except I'm gonna press the record button, even though we got no funding. This music is still fun, and without it I can't function.
I've been sitting